You will sometimes want to have pages that are accessible only to certain users. For example, you might have an administration page which you want only system administrators to be able to access. Fortunately, ASP.NET gives you a very easy way to set up page security, although it is limited to securing the contents of a folder rather than an individual page. To begin, open the My Membership sample file from your Sample Files folder. Now we are going to create an admin page. First, add a new folder to the project called Admin. You learned how to add new folders in Lesson 1.7. Next, add a new page to the admin folder called default.aspx. Because it is named default.aspx, if a user navigates to the admin folder, the page will automatically be displayed. Next, we're going to create a new access rule. First, open the ASP.NET Configuration utility. You learned how to do this in Lesson 9.2. Now click Security and click Create Access Rules. Next, click the Admin folder on the left, then click Anonymous Users. Anonymous users are users who have not logged in, and next click Deny. Now click OK. The rule you've just created will make sure that only users who have logged in will be able to access pages in the admin folder. Close your browser now. We are now going to try out the new access rule. Attempt to view default.aspx from the admin folder. Since you are not logged in by default, you are denied access and are automatically redirected to the login page. Log in now with the username and password you created in Lesson 9.1. If you're using a downloaded sample file, the username will be smart and the password learnasp. After logging in, you are automatically redirected to default.aspx in the admin folder. Since it is a blank page, you won't actually see anything, but before you logged in, you were unable to access this page at all. Close your web browser now. Note that you can secure individual pages by placing them in a folder of their own. Alternatively, you could use C# code to check the user's credentials when they visit a page. You'll learn how to do this in Lesson 9.10. It's very important to note that when you add access rules using the ASP.NET Configuration utility, web.config files are created in the folders you secure. Visual Studio doesn't include these files in the solution unless you manually add them. This is a very dangerous shortcoming. If you don't manually add the web.config files to your solution, they will not be published with your site. This means that none of these security settings will be applied. leaving your site with no security. To add the web.config file created in this lesson, right-click the admin folder, then click Add, Existing Item, open the admin folder, and select web.config. If you open the web.config file, you'll see how the access rules translate into XML. The question mark denotes anonymous users. Close Visual Studio now. You've now completed Lesson 9.8, Add Folder Level Security.